Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today is all about this look right here. If you're a lover of smoky eye like I am, I so much love smoky eye. You definitely want to keep on watching and please watch till the end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit on the subscription button and the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post this glam look right here. See you in the tutorial. I already did my brows off camera and now I'm going to use the palettes I got off AliExpress. If you can remember this eyeshadow palette, I did it on my YouTube unboxing video. You can check it out. And I'm going to be using that brown for my transition color. This palette is a very cheap palette, thus the pigmentation is very low. So I'll have to go over with the NYX primer before I apply the transition color so that the transition color can actually pop. Even though it's a smoky eyeshadow, you want to make sure that your transition color is a little bit popping so that the black color will easily blend. So I'm just blending out the eyeshadow primer to make sure that there are no creases. So you want to tap and tap. Now if you can see, the transition color is beginning to pop out, and that is what you will want to do. Next, I'm going over the darker brown in the shade Raw, and I'll apply that slightly around my crease. It'll be a little bit below the first transition color I applied. I want that area to pop out, and I'm smoking out the outer V because I will not be extending the black eyeshadow on the outer V. So to start off with, I'm using this gel eyeliner as the base for the black eyeshadow. This step is totally optional. You want to skip this step, but for me, I wanted the smokiness to really pop out, so I'm going over with the gel. And this gel eyeliner is difficult to blend because it's actually dried up. So you want to get a liquid like gel eyeliner. Blend and blend. Now I'm going over with the shade Clay to blend out the gel liner, and it's difficult to blend because my baby was hungry, so I had to go feed her. In the course of doing that, the gel eyeliner dried up, so it will be so difficult to blend this. To succeed in this process, if you are using the gel eyeliner, make sure to blend it immediately you apply. Just blend out that end so that you wouldn't have any harsh lines. So I'm going over with that purple light color to blend and extend it to the outer V. Like I said, I don't want the black eyeshadow to be extended to my outer V. And I'm using this flat brush to try to diffuse that line because I don't want any harsh lines between the transition and the gel eyeliner. That's what I'm trying to do, but you wouldn't have to do this if you blend immediately you apply the gel liner. To save time, I did the other eye off camera, and now I'm using this Note eyeshadow palette. Is so pigmented. I'm taking that darker shade to apply on top of the gel liner. You'll see the big difference this make. That is why this the gel liner is completely optional. You can go over with this black eyeshadow, it can still give you that smoky effect, but I wanted the gel eyeliner because it lasts longer. To further blend the matte eyeshadow, I'll be using this mini blending brush from BH Cosmetics to just blend out the transition and the eyeshadow. I don't want the very sharp effect, so I'll just clean that up lightly. I don't want the line, I want a soft effect. Now it's time for falsies. Here I'm going ahead to highlight my brow bone, and you'll see the difference this makes. Try to blend it in with the transition color, especially if you feel as if the eyeshadow went a little bit above towards your brow bone. You want to highlight it using this white eyeshadow. This just blends and gives a very smooth consistency. I'll use this glitter gold color in my inner corner to just make the eye look pop out. And again, this step is optional, but I wanted my eyes to pop out some more, and I'm not extending it, I'm strictly doing it around the tear dot, just the tear dot, that's all. And I'll smoke out my lower eyes. I'm applying this kajal eyeliner in my waterline, and I'm smoking it outwards to just give my lower eyeline a very dark and smoky look. And after this, I'm going to use a brush to just blend it out. I'm using this moisturizer to moisturize my face, and this tiny matte primer to prime my face. Today I'm gonna be using the Melanin foundation in the color Chestnut, and this foundation I always use. I just wanted a tiny bit of orange effect. As usual, I spray my blending foundation brush with a setting spray, and I press that foundation into my skin. Since my eyes are already heavy enough, I'm not gonna be highlighting and contouring today. I will just do the dry highlighting. So I'm pressing that foundation into my skin. You see the skin is orange enough, and the Melanin foundation is a very full coverage foundation, even though I use just about 2 pumps, but you see how full coverage that foundation is. And because of this, I'm not going to highlight and contour. With no concealer on, I'm going to apply the Sacha Buttercup in the areas where I'll normally highlight. And since I'm not using concealer, I'll leave it to bake. You know, I never bake, but I'm going to bake today because I didn't apply any concealer. And for my contour, I'm just going to use the dark color. It's not very dark though. After baking, I'm going ahead to just brush out the setting powder, and I'm using this precision brush. Guys, I have the problem with my left eye, and I was tearing for a while. That is that for my face, and moving to my lips, I'm using this brown lip liner and this nude lipstick to just put it in my lips and blend and blend. I'm just going to spray my face and basically press it inside as usual. Voici, this is the completed look. I was trying to make this video as short as possible because most of my subscribers told me to reduce the time of my videos, and as promised, I always do everything my subscribers ask me to do. I hope you enjoyed this video. My shout out to Miss Larry, the one who inspired me to dare this look, dare these lips. I'm never this shouty, but for the sake of this channel, I'll do anything for you guys. So I'm brushing my hair to just step out, and thank you for watching, thank you for liking, thank you for commenting. I love you guys. Stay fabulous, stay beautiful, and I'll see you in my next